cup of champagne cock. Me nah make nothing bother me. One life me get dog.
Spliff bigger than a lipstick, yeah. Weed no make your jungle make your tip sick. Go down in a history. From me was a kid, this smoking. Fuck up on me long.
Shut off them nose. Suck on the mother boy, you hear that? Glass of a toast. Killer, I'm a killer. Gun pop off the mo.
Girl, I sip on my cocky like say a hot tea. Me a see a Billie Jean. Big that jagger, 99 blame.
But gonna win. I'd cover up and start for freeze. For freeze. Must see things on.
Them a lurky scheme, no surgery. A cough and a hurts again. Cough and a hurts. Tell a heart this boy that young or old.
Crew get can and nobody even go buy soup. How about you a try prove? Are you one family, you're gonna disappoint you.
Dude, boy head open up like tin food. Chip clock, wrap it up and then start it again. Say you miss a dead boy, go up on the mark with your friend can.
Even me still in my dad. Can't give nobody my heart. Me ain't for see that.
She on you for woman, back it up, dry, she rip up my gun, and I got you done with the boy I crosses, you know, go.
Who the one that them good road? Tell them how to feel, and them how to figure. Remind me of the good son, the exercise in the bar. Here's the sky, what blood clot being in there. Tell you how run me nature, and then fall let me pay. And you want to tell them until the end. Woman is everything I know. Believe me, Dada. When me all the papa them tell you way. Okay. Until the day I die, more
big up man like my father and them man, them see them man they do them thing, big up man like acting. So me I say, and the regular man big up artists and them thing about. You don't know, we have to give them man, give credit where it is due. So me I say, so them a do it. Yeah, every other artist last.
Mavado response.
Well, I mean, it's just the truth. It's just the truth. I mean, at Jamaica, that's not at. You have to act in the world. Golly God, there's so many.
I'm aware that a lot of people, like you may watch me and may look up to me and think I'm a certain kind of guy, I'm a good guy, but they have to understand that I'm not worthy of praise. Only God is worthy of praise.
It's true.
And they do these things. I just look at YouTube and I see guys have Mike Tyson Immortal, Mike Tyson God, and I'm not worthy of that.
You are, Mike.
Hey, stop. I know me. You can think what you want, but I know. Not for somebody to praise me or anything, no. I'm always just Mike. I was one of those people that worship people because I had nothing. Imagine how low I had to be to worship a nothing. Somebody that's nothing, and I worship them.